ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا لا. أتعلم أنا أتعلم. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. أتعلم أنا أتعلم حتى أفيد وأستفيد، وأعرف لما أتكلم إنه كلامي صح ومفيد. ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا، ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is Islam al-Bas from Ibn Khaldun schools. Our lesson today is from English World Class 5. It's for Grade 5, Unit 10, Lesson 1, Reading. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, the students are guided to follow and read the text, understand the text and answer oral questions about it, practice reading the text. Kindly open your People's Book page 102. Page 102. Well, the title for this unit is Deep Sea Exploration. Deep Sea Exploration. So we are going to explore the deep sea and learn information about it. Let's start with word wall to learn the new vocabulary. Okay. Listen and repeat. Trench, trench, trench. Cliff, cliff, cliff. Shelf, shelf. The edge of the land, shelf. Beach, beach, beach. Submersible, submersible, submersible. Great. It's a kind of submarine that can go underwater for a short time. Sloop, sloop, sloop. Yes. Great. This is a sloop, the land that goes down. Mountain, mountain, mountain. Great. The last word is plain, plain, plain. The land that is flat, that is flat, plain. Well, back to our People's Book, page 102. So, look at the pictures here. Name things that you can recognize. Name things that you can recognize. Great. We can see beach, shelf, the edge of the land, sloop, sloop, mountains, plain, flat land, cliff, cliff, this is a cliff, and trench. This is a trench. And finally, submersible. Submersible. And as we learned, it's a kind of submarine that can go underwater for a short period of time. Exercise 1. Reading. The land under the oceans. The land under the oceans. Look at this picture. As we learned, we can see mountains under the ocean, trenches, plains, cliffs, shelves, and slopes. Great. Now it's time for reading. Please listen, read, and find answers to these questions. Question number 1. What helps plants to grow underwater? What helps plants to grow underwater? Question number 2. What is in the water below 150 meters? Question number 3. What is the water like at 300 meters? What's the water like at 300 meters? Okay, now listen and answer.
CD 3. Track 1. Pupils Book, Unit 10, page 102. Reading. The land under the oceans.
Light from the sun helps plants to grow underwater. Sunlight can go down through water to about 100 meters. In the water near beaches, there are many plants and animals. Below 150 meters, there are no plants, only animals. At 300 meters, it is already quite dark, and the water is very cold.
Okay. Question number 1. What helps plants to grow underwater? What helps plants to grow underwater? Excellent. Light from the sun. Light from the sun. Question number 2. What is in the water below 150 meters? Okay, think. Good. Animals, and there are no plants. Question 3. What's the water like at 300 meters? What's the water like at 300 meters? Great. The water is dark and cold. The water is dark and cold. Okay, let's move to the next paragraph. Before we start the next paragraph, we need to read this caption. The world's oceans are about 3,000 meters deep. How deep are the world's oceans? Great. They're about 3,000 meters deep. Okay. Now, listen and answer these questions. Question number 1. How deep are the world's oceans? Question 2. How deep is the deepest trench? How deep is the deepest trench? Question 3. Why is it difficult to explore the deep ocean? Why is it difficult to explore the deep ocean? Okay, listen.
Beach. Shelf. Slope. Mountain. Plain. Cliff. Trench. The world's oceans are about 3,000 meters deep.
Out in the oceans, there are mountains under the water just like there are mountains on land. In some parts of the ocean, there are deep trenches. The deepest trench goes down 11,000 meters. Much of the ocean floor is a plain. It continues for thousands of kilometers, but there are few animals there. It is difficult to explore the deep ocean. Water is heavy. If a diver was in water 900 meters deep, the weight of the water above him would crush his body.
Okay. Question number 1. How deep are the world's oceans? How deep are the world's oceans? Excellent. About 3,000 meters. Question 2. How deep is the deepest trench? How deep is the deepest trench? Great. It's about 11,000 meters. It's about 11,000 meters. Question 3. Why is it difficult to explore the deep ocean? Why is it difficult to explore the deep ocean? Well, it's difficult to explore the deep ocean because water is heavy and it can crush a diver's body. Now let's move to the last part. Before we listen, look at this picture as we learned it before. This is a submersible, okay, and let's read the caption under it, under the picture. This submersible can go down to 4,000 meters. Now, listen and answer these questions.
One way to explore the deep ocean is to go down in a submersible. Deeper than 1,000 meters, there is no sunlight at all. The submersible has lights so the people inside can see what is outside. We can look at pictures of the animals that live in the deep ocean because they are lit up by the machine. If the lights were not on, there would be complete darkness.
This submersible can go down to 4,000 meters.
How can people explore the deep ocean? How can people explore the deep ocean? Very good. They can explore the deep ocean in a submersible. They can explore the deep ocean in a submersible. Question number 2. Why does a submersible have lights on it? Why does a submersible have lights on it? Great. The submersible have lights on it because the ocean is dark below 1,000 meters. But people can see the creatures when the submersible lights are on. When the submersible lights are on. Now kindly open your workbook, page 92. Exercise 1. Which word is in the wrong place? Circle the word and show the correct place. Here we can see the alphabets, all the alphabets from A to Z. So, number 1, we have 5 words. Beach starts with B. Mountain starts with M. Sunlight starts with S. Ocean starts with O. Plane starts with P. So, let's find out the word that is in the wrong place. We have B here. After that we have M. Yes. After that we have S-O-P. What comes after M? S O or P? M, N, O. Yes, excellent. So, ocean should be the next word. Okay, so sunlight is in the wrong place. So, ocean, ocean here. What comes after O? So plane comes after it. And sunlight is in the wrong place. It should be the last word. Number 2. Chimney. C. Water. W. Crab. C. Octopus. Octopus. O. Worm. W. So it's clear. The word that is in the wrong place is water. Water. Because we have CH, C, R comes after it, then O, then W. So, which comes first, water or worm? When we have two words that start with the same letter, which is W here, we should look at the second letter. Here is A and here is O. Which comes first? Yes, A comes first. So water is in the wrong place and it should be here. So the order is chimney, crab, octopus, water, and worm. Number 3. Darkness. Darkness, which is D. Shell. Shell. S. Feather. Feather. F. Fire. Fire. Another F. Plant. Plant. P. Okay, the first word is darkness. Darkness. D. What comes after D? Yes, excellent. F. We have two words that start with F. Feather, F-E, and fire, F-I. Which comes first? E or I? Great. E. So feather is the second word. After that, fire. Next is P, S, plant. After that, plant, plant. And the last word is shell, shell. So the correct order is darkness, feather, fire, plant, and shell. Okay, you are kindly asked to complete number 4, 5, 6 as a homework.